Hi, I'm Paul May with Equipt Expedition Outfitters. Today I'd like to talk to you about the National Luna Auxiliary Battery Box. It's the baby brother of the portable power pack in the dual battery system line. So what's unique about the auxiliary battery box is that it is a standalone auxiliary battery solution for you. Unlike the portable power pack, it does not have the intelligent solenoid built into it. It's a standalone item. It's the same case as the portable power pack, only in black. It has the connections for a battery inside up to a group 31. It has the tie-down point for it inside as well. And on the bottom of the box are the locations for the battery tie down here, as well as recessed locations if you want to bolt this down. So let's talk a few minutes about the connections that are available on the auxiliary battery box. First of all, charging. There are three ways that you can charge the auxiliary battery box. One, you can connect it into it through the 120-volt charger that National Luna is producing later in 2019. That is an option. Also, through one of the gray Anderson couplers, you can attach a solar controller with a solar panel and backfeed and charge the batteries with solar. Also, if you choose to, by adding an intelligent solenoid under the hood of your vehicle, you can run the cables available as a portable power pack cable kit, and running that cable kit from the intelligent solenoid and plugging into this red Anderson coupler right here. That way you have a dual battery system in your vehicle. Now, as far as power outputs, what we have on here is on the top level, we have a voltage output. We have a USB, dual socket USB, 4.8 amps, a cigarette lighter plug. Down here we have a Hella plug, which matches up to the National Luna fridge power cords. Now you notice there are 4 locations here that are blank. All of those locations are pre-wired and they're ready for a socket. All of these sockets are of the standard 29 millimeter diameter opening. Available through Equipt as well are 3 different options: 12-volt cigarette lighter, Hella plug, or USB, so that you can configure this the way that you choose to. Also available on here are 2 Anderson coupler takeoffs, good up to 50 amps. So if you want to run an inverter or a compressor or something that's going to run a lot more power, you can connect it through to this auxiliary battery box as well. Plus we have a breaker that turns off the entire unit, and each of the outlets here are fused as well. This is a really good solution if you want to have something in your vehicle that is portable enough for you to use every day, that you don't have to build a dual battery system in your vehicle, or you can. Lots of options for you. My name is Paul May. If you have any questions at all, please contact us at equipt1.com. Thanks for your time.